Why do you study English?
I study because I want to go to study abroad.
Oh, very good. You would like to go to study abroad?
Right.
Wow. Which country?
USA.
Wow, USA. Okay. Okay.
Come to Scotland.
Okay, number two.
Good. What do you expect from this class?
I expect that I will improve English communication skills.
Skills. Okay. Number 3. In which areas of English do you want to work on and improve the most, and why?
I want to improve my reading skills the most because I still don't understand well when I read English.
English. Good.
Okay. How do you normally start your how do you usually start your day?
I usually start my day with following activities.
First, your hand. First.
First, I usually get up at 6 o'clock in the morning.
Second.
Second, I take shower and dress for about 10 minutes. Third, I have breakfast for about 10 minutes. Fourth, I read home for school at 7 o'clock. Lastly, I arrive at school at 7:30 in the morning.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Next question.
Number 5. What is the main challenge you face at school?
The main challenge
Challenge.
that I face at school is the English class because I have to memorize the word. I am not good at constructing
Good.
Constructing
sentences because I am not strong in basic English grammar.
Okay. Good. Next question.
Right. Number 7. Which subject do you think you are best at and why?
I think I'm better at language.
Lao language.
Language, yes.
Because I always often high score.
Always.
Okay.
Often high score
Mm-hmm.
in
Language.
test and exam. I understand well how to
Right.
and read and speak loud.
Very good.
Hopefully,
Probably. Okay.
Good.
And finally, which subject do you think is the most difficult for you and why?
I think mathematics.
I think.
I think mathematics is the most difficult subject for me because there are many mathematical formulas to memorize, and I don't understand well how to apply these formulas in
Calculations.
Calculations.